Hi everyone, Timotheus here. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of online wealth creation. Amidst global chaos and economic uncertainties, finding a reliable source of income is crucial. That's why I explored the Commission Cashbox program that promises financial independence without complex technical skills or hefty investments. And guess what? I found a remarkable comeback story too. Mark Milburn defied the odds, bouncing back from rock bottom using the Commission Cash Box program. He transformed his fortunes, and so can you. Now, let me share what I discovered about the Commission Cash Box program. It's not just another online course, it's a lifeline. Commission Cashbox is a treasure trove of knowledge, covering everything from product selection to crafting high converting sales funnels. You get professionally designed landing pages and email swipes, saving you hours of work. Plus, there's a vibrant community for support and insights. But is Commission Cashbox a great investment for you? It depends on your commitment and expectations. Success in affiliate marketing requires time and dedication. It's not a magic wand. So are you ready to kickstart your journey? Visit the Commission Cashbox website, watch the tutorials and stay committed. Go to the description below and click on the link there now. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving affiliate marketing business. So is Commission Cashbox legit? Absolutely. But beware of copycats. Stick to the original and let it transform your financial landscape. Don't forget, changing your situation is possible. If you keep going, you can do it. Remember, go to the description below and click on the link there now. Remember, individual results may vary. Always do your due diligence before investing time or resources. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.